Hi viewers, I'm Sachal and it's my 7th lab experiment on database lab. In this lab session we'll see about triggers curses. So triggers is like a small program which can be triggered in between an application. It's a small application. It can be called in between instructions. So the first question is, there is application error if the student tries to enroll the same course for more than one time. Okay, so we are going to create a trigger which is gonna alert the user there's an error if he tries to enter the same course for more than once. So what you do is create or replace trigger t1. This is the trigger name. Then before insert inquiry, for each row declare code inquiry dot course code, table name, percentage type, begin, select course code into code from inquiry where course code equals 10. That's the first one. If course code is equal to 10, then raise application error already registered. This is the error message. And if and trigger created. So that is how you create a trigger. Next question is, now let's check the output. So insert into inquiry values. Okay, so these are the values: Sachal, Krishna, and details. The next, insert into inquiry values. The same values have been repeated once again. Now this time error at line 1. Already registered. Yeah, now the system has successfully given an error report. So this execution of trigger system. Yes. So next question, create a trigger to delete the record in the enrollment table. Corresponding row has to be removed from the inquiry. So corresponding row has to be removed from the inquiry. So for this, create or replace a trigger T2. Second trigger, before delete on inquiry, for each row declare begin. If deleting, then dbms output dot put line. This is the message: rows deleted with course code. Go to old course code. Okay, and if end. So delete from inquiry where inquiry number is equal to 110003. Okay, we are deleting that. So row is deleted with course code equals 10. One row deleted. Now we have deleted a row. Create a trigger that will inform you to update the fees at the last day of the current year. So create or trigger 33. Now before update on batch, for each row declare begin. If updating, then you can update the fees at the last day of the current year only. Send a message: new course fees. Okay, and if end. So the new course fees will be displayed after the end of this message. Trigger created. Update batch set course fees 6000 where course code equals 20. So this time the message is displayed. You can update the fees at the last day of the current year only, 6000. Yes. So under update. Next one is create a cursor to display the average fees paid for each course. So declare CND number, cursor C1, select average fees, course fees from batch group by course code. Begin, open C1, fetch C1 into CNT, dbms output averages. So C1 is the cursor and it's going to perform the actions like it's going to find out the average fees. So average is 5000. Okay, yes, procedure successfully completed. It's as simple. As soon as you finish the cursor, it opens, does, then closes, and result is printed. That is cursor. So next one is create a cursor program which updates as follows. If enrollment is for row 2 course, give discount of 2% from course fees of both the courses. If enrollment is for 3 course, give discount of 3% from course fees of both the courses. Okay. So select star from batch. This displays the current table and details in the table. What are this? Like this contains 4 course fees. Declare B code enrollment batch code type cursor C2 no cursor. Select batch code into B code from enrollment where roll number is equal to, then begin C. Now open C2 loop, update batch set 0.2 star course fees. Batch code equals fetch C2 into B code, exit when C2 not found. Table is modified. So this each table has been now modified. Table for the first and table, second table, third table. And that is how we do. And now that's the final table. Like this table has the discounted value. This table has the original value, and this table contains the discounted value for each one. And then this pull off. Thank you for watching, guys. See you soon in the next section.